We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Hello, welcome to A Fool a Day. And in today's edition, you're having 2 fools for the price of 1. In today's video, we will be making bread. Do we like bread?
Bread's good.
We do like bread.
Get that bread.
And we like fresh bread. So, in a time of quarantine, in a time of lockdown, in a time of social isolation, social distancing, we have to make our own bread. Because, God knows, people like to play with their bread when they go and buy it.
Grope it.
Yeah. So we won't buy bread. We won't buy bread at bakeries because they like to touch their bread to see which one is crisp. So we're gonna make our own bread, and because we're nice, we're gonna show you how we make bread. So we did some extensive research before we made this video, and when I say extensive, I meant we googled bread loaf recipe on Google, and we took the first article that we got, and it's by Taste of Home. It looks legit.
Link not in the description.
Link not in the
You gotta
description.
sponsor us for that.
Gotta sponsor us for that. So because Alex is bad at filming,
They got fired as cameraman.
look at the yeast. It is alive. It is alive and well. Yes. The yeast is flourishing. It is eating the sugar. And it is becoming alive. It is alive. And now you just need to wait. And wait. And wait. Now the bubbles are even more present. I need to look for a thing. You use this thing,
A whisk.
a whisk, and you whisk it together. Be sure that the whisk is clean.
Mimi, how do you say a whisk in French? Okay.
I forgot. There we go. It's all whisked in. That's what you want. Now, it is very hard to be good at making bread. A lot of practice, a lot of hard work, a lot of early mornings and late nights, because we study the dough. We do more than just make bread. We are one.
We're bread people.
We're one with the bread. You know how people are like, you are what you eat? We're bread.
Right now, Mitian is washing her hands, which is part of a hygienic practice during this COVID-19 pandemic.
So this happened. Beautiful. Okay. Now we just need to. New recipe, it's called smoked bread. Look how beautiful it is. What?
Menial ladies. Minor ladies.
You don't want to remove all the chocolate.
Wait for it to get stiff.
Wait for it to get what? It looks like great bread. Look at those. It's just overcooked, but we can deal with that. It's crunchy. It smells like sourdough.
Oh, it does. I just got a strong whiff of it. How is it?